Hello, bonjour, welcome to this new sketchbook. I am filling it by taking images here and there on my Pinterest homepage. And I want to show you today how to make a double page in this sketchbook. First, you want to select something that is not already something from an artist, so I rather stick to photos and ads. This girl looks cute, so today I want to work with this brush pen that is very fun because if you press hard, you will have a thicker line. So going for the face straight, no sketch, because it's my sketchbook, so I don't really mind if the face is a bit wonky, it's a bit crooked. I just want to have fun. And by the way, this is sped up 1.5 because I'm not drawing that fast, especially when I have a pen and no sketch before. Then adding the hair, and she has a loose hair, so I'm just making lines here and there. And same for the scarf. I like that she had a huge scarf just under her chin, and looking at her chin, I think she has a strong jaw, so maybe I can fix it with a bit of darkness. Yes, that's better. Still a bit square, but looking cute anyway. Add something else, and I have no plan, so why not a pair of shoes? They are very shiny, and when I begin these kind of pages, I never know what's gonna be inside. Sometimes I can select my subjects in my Pinterest search bar, but most of the time I just take what is coming under my nose and have fun with it. You have to be careful, because if you miss a line, you cannot erase it. And that's fine. It's just practice. It's just fun. And there is no pressure on me when I'm doing that. I'm just trying first to master my new pen, and two, to master drawing without a pencil under, because this is a skill that you need to practice a lot before getting comfortable to it. And yeah, here I'm back in Pinterest looking for something else, and sometimes I can't scroll very down. So what I like to do is make a screenshot of the image I'm using. This way, if my Pinterest homepage is reloading, I haven't lost my image, because otherwise you will never get it back. So this angle on the face was very tricky, and yeah, she's ugly, but that's the way it is. And I'm not good at drawing clothes. I like her pose when I look at the image first, but the fingers were a nightmare to do. The squares on the shirt are not my jam. And at the end, she's really bad. But I don't care, because in a minute I will add color and it will get everything cohesive. So then find something else. And now Pinterest is showing me a lot of shoes because I've been looking at one. So let's add bugs. Really, it's depending on the space I have left on my page, I can add small or large elements and just go with the flow. I don't really think ahead, just going with what I find on my Pinterest board. And add a little tiny element left. Yes, this mug will be perfect for this corner. And some fillers, because stars, why not? Could be flowers, could be dots, could be squares, could be whatever you want actually. Butterflies, more bugs. But I felt like having stars and dots. And now some color, the best part, well, my favorite part. Let's spray this watercolor and add a bit of color here and there, and I want to have the colors spreading all over the page. I don't want to have a color just in one spot. This is something I don't like, and I always try to use a color in different parts of my painting, drawing, spread, whatever. And also the good thing with that is that you don't waste paint because you use what you have on your brush. Well, I didn't talk about the sketchbook. It's no particular brand. It's watercolor paper. Supposedly it's 160 GSM, which is a bit thin for me, but this is what I had on hand when I wanted to begin this sketchbook, so I cannot wait when I have an idea. And the brand is Kunst and Paper. Yeah, but it doesn't really matter because it's not the best of the sketchbooks. But what I like about it is that it's square. And having a square sketchbook makes you a lot of room for a spread, which is a double square rectangle, and you can have a lot of different composition inside. You see, I'm getting back this dark green for the coat, the one I used for the bug and for the color. And adding gold. So I have this gold ink that is in pretty bad condition. And I found back after using it that I have a better gouache gold paint. But too many art supplies, maybe. And this is the end of this double page. It's been sped up a bit, but the total time is 30 minutes. Hope you liked it. See you soon.